In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix captions not working on edits. First of all, launch open edits application. You can see over here edits has been opened. Normally, if you tap on the caption icon that you can see at the bottom, you can see over here you'll be able to add the caption. For example, in my video, you'll be able to see the caption. But if the caption is not working for you, there might be various reasons behind it. The first thing that you can do is simply close this project. After you do that, open the project again. Now after that, try adding the caption. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. If it is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of edits. Sometimes there might be some problem caused by the cache, so what you have to do is open the app library of your device, find the application for edits and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. Now tap on the option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now tap on this option clear cache. Now once the cache has been cleared, open the edits application again and try to add the captions. After that, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try updating the edits app. There might be some bugs in the application, so what you have to do is open the Play Store. After that, tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for edits. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for edits and tap on it. Now over here, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and open the edits application. After that, you should be able to add the captions. If still you're not being able to add the captions, what you can do is uninstall the edits application and install it again. Simply tap on this option uninstall. After that, tap on the option uninstall again and edits will be uninstalled. Now install it again, open it and try adding the caption. Now your problem should be fixed. So that is how you fix captions not working on edits. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.